The royal trademark for automatic pistols was registered in 1909 by Marcelo Zulaica and is one of the ruby-type pistols. A year later, he also registered the Novelty trademark for Firearms. This gunmaker regarding his marketing of the Zwlaycka pistol patented by his brother Toribio, and his being one of the group of manufacturers that joined forces in 1912 to face FN's legal threats. At that time, he was producing about 10 pistols daily. However, there is no record of any workshop in his name in the IBAR Industrial Register until 1915, when the firm of M. Zwlaycka ECIA appears, declaring 5 employees. 1 year previously, he had registered the Vincinator trademark, although he marked his production of ruby-type pistols as the 1914 model. In 1916, this shop operated as the Royal Vincinator SA and employed 20 to 30 workers. It disappeared in 1917 and may have been succeeded by a new firm, Zwlaycka Izabelita, which was listed as a factory in 1918 but did not survive the post-war crisis. Marcelo Zulaica may also have been a partner in the firm of Arizmendi, Zwlaycka ECIA, 1914 to 1922, and was remembered as a very cultured and enterprising person. However, fortune did not smile on him, and he ended his days working as an employee of L Trust IBARs. Designed by Marcelo Zulaica.